Good morning, guys. I am on the way to get my hair braided. We made it back home. Got me some Chipotle. I haven't ate all day. And this is my hair, as you guys can see. Oh, y'all, my braces have been getting on my nerves. We're here getting our feet done. No, you need to do something plain on your feet. Zoe, say hi. Hey. Hi. Look at feet, y'all. Get her feet done.
Yeah, guys, this is the Nail Lady Road.
Quisha, look at Kamaya made it, y'all. Kamaya made it. Her feet done. So cute. My friend and my toes. Yeah. Y'all, we are currently in, what's this store? We are currently in Belks looking for some bathing suits. But we're about to go in a minute. Yes. So this vlog is about us getting ready for the trip that we're going on in a minute. And y'all just coming with us. But we got our nails and our feet done and stuff. And the store don't got no air conditioner, y'all. So I'm in front of the fan because it's hot as shit. I saw my girl just bought her man some Nike shorts and feet. Period. Clocky. Okay, we're about to go to Target, y'all. So
I thought we were going to the Dollar Tree.
we'll see y'all when we get there. Okay, Dollar Tree first and then Target. We'll see y'all.
Okay.
Say hey, Naya. Show them your nails.
Are you gonna ride over here?
Look at the pissy auntie, y'all.
And your daughter got on shoes too. Beautiful.
They think they so cute. So we are in the dollar store. What you need something for? Okay. We gotta get her something. She looking for, I don't know what she looking for actually. Oh, that sit up tall.
Yeah, and sweep up, but mine's are so messed up.
Oh, that's a screw on thing.
I don't know, but I don't see them. That's for the broom.
I'm gonna grab me a little drink. We're gonna try this. It's called strawberry kiwi flavored lemonade. Strawberry kiwi flavored lemonade. Let's try this. Hold up your dress. Show us. Tell them what kind it is.
Girl, you gotta flip it around.
Zoe found her a Toy Story dress. Show them this way, Bookie. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at the cow at the bottom. Clock it. Do your clock it like this. Clock it. Clock it. Okay, y'all, we done made it to Target. But I'm trying to figure out. Oh, Marshalls. We already did Target. I didn't show y'all what we got out of there, but we are in Marshalls now. And Naya is getting some pajamas. Let me see. You gonna find you some pajamas? Please? I'll get you some pajamas.
No damn pajama.
What, baby?
I don't.
No, that's right.
What you say? Let me see. What size is it?
It's cute.
That's a pretty good. Yeah. Let me.
That's cute.
What the
What's
size
she
is
trying to
it?
see at the side?
Oh, this is. Oh, look at her. Look at Kamaya down there looking for stuff. Hey, Maya. Okay, y'all. So we are in here. Feet is looking for snacks. Let me see. Oh, yes. That's the. Yes. And I like them because it didn't stain. It still ain't stained. That's cute. I got this little pen at home. So cute. How much was it? Oh, it was only $16.99.
Let's see, they be having good stuff over there. You just gotta look.
Oh, look at the Ninja sprayer.
Something to snack, like,
Oh
like
yeah,
snack stuff.
Nana likes stuff out of here.
Yeah.
What are your pajamas? She found two pajamas, y'all. She liked, which was a little blue one, cute one, and she trying to get it together. Right here. Okay, so I love
Oh yeah, let me
the blue one and this cute. I'm Mimi is looking at nails, y'all. She got. Show them your purse on. You got now.
Mom, give me this, Mom.
Cute.
Mom, give me this.
And
Can you give me this?
she want this plain clear. Look at them always playing around.
This is a loss.
Get her, Fee. Get her.
Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Mom, stop. We're in the line. Like,
We just made it back. We got some Wendy's. And we're just eating our nuggets. I might sleep. And Big Will back there. Yeah. Okay, y'all. Auntie Jennifer is my co-pilot.
Yay!
And y'all say hey. We getting ready to leave.
What you gonna do? Send that? You can shoot it somewhere.
This YouTube.
Oh,
We getting ready to leave. Tell them hey.
You know, I
Look. Say hey. What up? Oh, let me record everybody while they peeing. Mimi and Venice is getting the girls in the car. Say hi, guys. Where Venice? Say hey, Mimi.
don't play with
Let me show the girls. Don't play with you. Zoe acting like you. Zoe, Harley, Denver. Hey, y'all. Say hey to the camera. Hi. Okay. And over here in Clint's car. Oh. We got the guys over here. Say hey, y'all.
What up, vlog?
They got snacks. They fat. They fat. Now, what now? Say what's up, Kyrie. Oh, there go Venice. We was looking for you. Yes. Say hey. Hey to the vlog. Ain't no what? Yeah. Nay. Hey to the camera. And they got the baby, y'all. All right. Oh, let me show the baby. Right quick. Oh, she's sleeping. Let's see how she do on the trip. Nay, give us the update.
Right.